If 3x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 49 and 9x plus 8y plus 21z is equal to 126, the value of y is, we have four options, 3, 5, 2, 4. We have two equations given. One is 3x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 49. We take it as first equation. 9x plus 8y plus 21z equal to 126. We take it as second equation. In both this equation, we see that here is 3x and here is 9x. Means if we multiply by 3, here we got 9x. If we multiply by 3 continuously, 3 7 21, here we got 21z. So for getting value of y, we multiply first equation with 3 from both sides, on both sides. 3, 3x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 3 into 49. 3 into 3, 9x, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. 3 into 49, 147. Now we got some similarity, 9x, 9x, 21z, 21z. Now subtracting equation second by third, 9x plus 15y plus 21z minus 9x minus 8y minus 21z is equal to 147 minus 126. 9x माइनस 9x ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे आपस में, 21z माइनस 21z आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. 15y minus 8y is 7y. 147 minus 126 is 21. Y is equal to 21 by 7, y equal to 3. This is our answer. This is option A.